Hello friends, welcome to the CapCut mobile app video editing tutorial. Today's topic of our tutorial is blurred background. In this tutorial, you will learn how to make your video stand out with blurred background. Follow these simple steps to create blurred background effects using the CapCut mobile app. Let's begin the tutorial together step by step. Start a new project. Select the library menu. I want to use a video from the library. I have searched for road. I have selected a video and added it to the timeline. If you scroll the right side, you will find the background option. Sometimes we make a common mistake. We select the video and search for the background. In that case, you will not find the background option. Here, video is selected. That's why background option is not showing. If you deselect the video, then the background option will show. Select the background. Here you will find three available options: color, image, and blur. In this tutorial, we will only use the blur option. Select blur. Here are 4 blur levels from low to high. You can use any one of them. First, I have selected the second one. Click on the right mark. But the blurred background is not showing here. To display the blurred background, you either need to reduce the video size or add a mask. Now I have selected the first blur level. Reduce the video size as small as possible. A black screen needs to be added. Select the overlay, then tap on the Add Overlay. Select Photos. From here, you have to select a solid color image. I have chosen a solid black color. Link of the images I will provide in the video description. Add the black screen and adjust the duration. Select the mask and add the rectangle mask. Change the size and position as needed. Select the Adjust option of the rectangle mask. Rotate the mask to 3 degrees. Set the feather value to 1. Increase the value of the round corner to 10. Again, add the same video using the Add Overlay. Add the rectangle mask and adjust the size and position. Rotate the mask to 3 degrees. Increase the round corners value to 10. Adjust the size and position of the mask to fit the video within the black frame. That's how you can apply a blurred background to your video. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, we would appreciate your support by liking it, sharing it with friends, and subscribing for more insightful tutorials. Let's continue our learning journey together.